Lot number 103 is a 2014 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. This vehicle was running fine. I did the initial inspection 2 days ago. I started it up. I had it running for over an hour. I did my whole inspection, my whole written inspection on it, and I parked it. And today, when I try and do the video, I started up, and it appears that the starter went bad. The minute it started up, I could hear the starter kept spinning. I turn off the ignition, and the starter is still spinning with the ignition off and the key out of the car. If I put power to it, the starter spins. Listen. So it appears that the starter is stuck on the on position, or it doesn't stop spinning. Now the car will start up, but I can hear the starter continues to spin. So this one should be towed out of here, and it probably needs a new starter. I'm not a mechanic, but it seems like the starter went bad. It may be a relay or something that tells it to spin, but I will tell you that I had the car running the other day for over an hour. The whole written inspection was done a couple of days ago when the car was running fine. And today when I started up to go do the video, this is what's happening. So I'm glad it happened to me and not to you. Now I'll show you the rest of the car, and then I'll actually start it up for a few seconds, and I gotta get it back in its parking spot, but the starter is spinning the whole time. It's a 2014. It's got very low miles, only 58,000 original miles. It's got 9,000 hours. The body is straight. It's got 51,529 miles. The body is very straight. It does have a little damage to the paint right there, and I did notice it has a little bit of rust around the rear lift gate. Up here. May be hard to see. I gotta get that lift gate open. But the body itself is nice and straight. The paint still looks good. It does have minor dents and scratches all around. It shows normal wear and tear. There's a little scratch right here. It's got a couple of drilled holes on the lift gate from emergency lights that have been removed. All matching steel wheels. Tires look good. It's got nice tinted windows, not too dark. Headlights look a little dull. You can see the body's nice and straight. It does have a hole in the roof from the light bar that was removed. This was a full police unit, and all emergency equipment has been removed. This one had a push bar. The brackets are still in place. Headlights look dull. Driver's side nice and straight. I do see some glue residue left over from the decal removal. I see some right here. I'll show you the interior. Interior shows normal wear and tear. The driver's door panel is torn right there. The driver's seat shows wear. I don't really see any tears on it, but it is worn. Rubber mat on the floor is torn. Comes with a metal center console. Passenger seat looks good. The rest of the door panels are in place and appear to be in good shape. The dashboard is not cracked. The headliner looks good, but it may have some small tears. I see one back there. Let's open the lift gate. I'll show you the cargo area. It's locked, okay. All right, cargo area looks good, nice and neat. A couple of panels have screw holes from emergency lights that have been removed. The headliner's torn right there. It's got some screw holes as well. And here's the very small spot of rust that I saw. Again, it's hard to see, but it does have a little spot of rust back here. So other than that, I didn't see any rust. It shows some surface rust on the rain rail. Rain rail appears to be missing the plastic trim. All right, now I'm gonna start it. I'll show you the passenger side. This one has a plastic rear seat and the back doors are locked. So I would have to add power to it. The door panels look good. Rear seat is plastic. Passenger seat looks good. Passenger door panel looks good. All right, so look, even with the key out of the ignition, the starter still spins. I'm gonna turn on the ignition just so you can hear the engine. You can hear the starter stuck on there. So this one needs to be towed out of here. I will tell you, 2 days ago I had it running over an hour. The engine sounds good. The transmission engages. It drove well in the parking lot. And both front and rear AC blow cold. All right, there it is. Mechanic Special, lot 103. Good luck.